Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2014 Toyota RAV4 Limited. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in black, and under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include roof rails, locking all-wheel drive, and a backup camera for a great mix of functionality and capability. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this RAV has to offer. Helping us into the RAV4, we have our key fob. It's a smart key system as well. So we have our lock and unlock, plus we have the trunk latch and then the alarm mechanism so we can lock up. You can see we do have our signal light there on our mirror. And these are heated mirrors as well. So with our smart key system, in order to lock, all we'll do is press our 2 fingers on those 2 lines, and to unlock, place our hand inside the handle. We'll look at the door. We've got our 2 programmable settings for our seat, and then we have the 4 window buttons, lock and unlock, and then window lock, and then you can see we have our nice RAV4 skid plate right there. And then we also have our adjustable seat and our lumbar support with our nice leather seat with detailing just along there. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got our mirror adjuster. We have the dimmer switch for the instrument panel, and then we have our traction control. We have the limited slip here, the locking all-wheel drive. Then we also have our trunk latch button for the inside. So because we are a push start system, press the brake, push to start. Alrighty, so we'll let the beeping stop. And yes, while it does have the gas light on, we assure you that we will be giving you a full tank on your departure. So we have 46,796 kilometers on here. That's lots of life left for 2014. So this is pretty much a diamond in the rough. You don't find a lot of these. So for our multi-information display there, just underneath our speedometer, we're going to be pressing the display button to cycle through a few different things here. Looking through our trips, our per 100 kilometer range and consumption rates. The right hand side is also for the hands-free calling and then voice recognition. And then on the left hand side, this is for our audio system. We have our volume, and then we have our mode select, plus we have our back button as well. And then the cruise control is just behind us on the right hand side. Looking at our entertainment system, we've got our display right here showing us our consumption rates. We're on the eco mode right now. I'll press back. Here's our home screen. We'll go and look at our map. Nice, easy, beautiful to read map. Looking at more applications. Navigation, audio, phone, messaging, eco, setup, and maintenance. We can rearrange and set these things up to anything we might need to have, anything we might want. And then our audio sources here, AM, FM, CD, USB, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, and auxiliary, reordering them as we might need them as well, with our CD player just above. And then our clock letting us know our airbag is off as well. So here's our dual climate control, operated by these dials to the left and right for the driver's and passenger side, with our blower and then function right in the middle with defrost as well. Just below that, you can see that we do have our heated seats, both on high right now. I'm nice and toasty. And then we have the eco and sport modes for our driving needs, with our rain sensing windshield wipers, our auxiliary USB, and we have a 12-volt DC plug-in as well. A little further back, we've got our cup holder with our gear shift, and a little ways down here we've got sport mode if we need a little bit of extra control. Some nice detailing here along our center console. Inside, we have lots of room inside here. Space to put whatever we might need easy access for, and stowing that away. Sunglasses, some extra cords. And then we've got this nice little cubby spot that's easy access with beautiful detailing along our dashboard. And then our glove box just underneath for the literature. And then Kleenexes is what I usually put in mine, but whatever you might need to pop in there to keep out of your way. Last feature I'll show you is we have our sunroof controls right here for opening and closing, and allowing some airflow inside. And that's her right there. Gives us some nice whether winter or summer days if you want to look up and see the sky and have a little bit of light coming down. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. Before we hop into the cargo area of our RAV4, a few things to show you. We have our roof rails and then our stubby antenna as well, getting that out of the way. And then we have our rear window wiper, plus we have the inlay defrost in the back window, and we also have our backup camera just right there. Now in order to get into the cargo area, we can either press the button on our key fob, or we can press the button underneath the Toyota symbol, and we will. One little beep, and then our power tailgate will open up for us. and show us the grand room of our cargo space. Lots of room back here with the 60/40 splitting rear seats. Underneath we have our spare tire right there. Some tie down points as well in case we need to secure our cargo. So nice seat belts are out of the way, and once those seats are laid flat right down, nothing's gonna stop you from putting anything back here. So in order to close this up, all we'll do is press our button, and then our power gate will do its job and shut itself for us. Let's take a last look at our 2014 Toyota RAV4 Limited. Some other features include your color entertainment display with navigation and consumption, and heated leather seats for the convenience that you crave. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you. Come in and take for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton in the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.